So we have airdrop updates. Do go and talk about. It's been a while, it's been a few days, but it's quite sleepy. But now we do have some airdrops to talk about. So we jump straight into after. The first thing first is a signature for a future airdrop. I will leave the link down below. Simply make sure to go and insert your wallet right here, save the wallet, get your signature, and you are good to go. As you see, I'm number 47,000. All you gotta do is simply here you can download the card and share it on X if you want, but it is very much straightforward. This will be a limited time. I think this one ends at the first few days of as we know, December. So simply post it as well if you want, and simply keep a hold of it, and then we will come back to it. But this is a simple signature for a future airdrop. Next up, as we see here, we have the Raya Foundation site is privately, but the Raya TGE, as we see here, if you're able to go and access it with a password, you're able to go and continue and check the airdrop. Now, we do not know the password, this is still private, but this means that the Raya community sale is also running until December 2nd, as we know, and the airdrop and the token generation event is just around the corner. So if you are eligible for Raya or you did utilize this protocol, let me know in the comments below, because you could have quite a bit of an airdrop in your hand. Personally, I didn't participate. I don't know the password. I don't think anybody knows the password. This is still a checker that will come out soon, so make sure to go and wait for it. Next up, over on Jumper, if you utilize Jumper and you want to get yourself a few of a spiky rewards whitelist spot over here, you can go and do it. You go, as you see here, 6 different Monad NFT manias in case you want it. Now, I did not participate also because I'm out of Monad for good in terms of the chain. It's already going down, took my profit, and I'm good to go. But as you see here, you are able to go and do it. And simply if you click on one, your rank on Monad depends on something. And as we see here, you swap at least $250 into the chalk to Monad on Monad via Jumper, and you simply get yourself a whitelist spot for it. Personally, I will avoid it, but you can also check it if you go to your Jumper page, to your mission right here. This is the first one that we have. I've done a few others, but this one you see right here. You simply click over here and you go and do the missions in case you want. Next up, we have, and once you enter the verification code, as you see here, you click over to connect wallet, Phantom, Kepler, or MetaMask. Let's go and connect, for example, the Phantom wallet for being a Solana airdrop. And once you see here, you will connect, do all these procedures, unsupport the network. Okay, you can go and switch to the Binance Smart Chain, or the other thing that you can simply do is go and disconnect, insert your MetaMask wallet, as we do have the Binance Smart Chain already connected over on below. But as of right now, it is only a checker. There is no claim, there is no selling. It is only a checker. On the pre-market, it is going for about 10 cents. So make of that what you wish. Potentially count between 10 cents in the pre-market, and then you have your position for this airdrop. But let me know down in comments below. We also have, as we see here, something really nice from Owelto. Owelto has gone and posted this one, which we can also see over on their page. If we scroll a little bit down, this was a few days ago. It wasn't quite yesterday, but I still want to go and talk to you because you could have missed it. It is right here. So this one is what they tweeted. On this Thanksgiving Day, we extend our deep perv, okay, all of that. Then, a Welto token generation event is within 3 months. So yes, finally, if you've been waiting forever, let's print the last mile together, which means between here and January, we will have the Welto airdrop, better community service, more transparent and more supportive. 24, so a year ago. And the second snapshot is going to be taken before TG. What does this mean? Well, it means that between the first snapshot and the next snapshot, you need to go and use Owelto if you want the airdrop. So simply, I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and do a swap on Owelto. Do some bridges, do some WAP. Just have your own footprint activity, and that is it. Just don't wait until your airdrop come out and cry because you're not eligible because you didn't do the second swap or the bridging after the first snapshot. So that is it. They're also hiring new people, rewarding the good ones, kicking the lazy ones. So as we see here, they are revamping the whole situation. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know your airdrop allocation. And currently, the airdrop world is pretty stable. I gotta say, it's pretty quiet. It's not the best thing, but yet we are producing content and I'm keeping you up to date. But with that said, thank you for watching and see you.